Our last story for today involves machine tools. I know that doesn't sound sexy, but without machine tools, there's no advanced manufacturing. There are no robots, no automation, no factories of the future, fourth industrial revolution. In the 15th century, somebody invented a screwdriver. Shortly thereafter, somebody invented a machine that made screwdrivers. That machine was a machine that made tools. John Wilkinson made a boring machine in the Industrial Revolution in England, which made James Watt's steam engine feasible. Henry Maudsley is considered a founding father of machine tool technology. His inventions were an important foundation for the Industrial Revolution. His invention of a metal lathe to cut metal that enabled the manufacture of standard screw thread sizes was really important to the Industrial Revolution, because standard screw thread sizes, in turn, allowed interchangeable parts and the development of mass production. Machine tools, tools that make machines, are very important, and there's a lack thereof throughout the world except in 3 countries: Germany, China, and Japan. Now, I think everybody involved or is concerned about manufacturing should really read a very special research report put out by a group called Bismarch Analysis. It's a 17-page report. We have it on our website at Asian Robotics Review in the This is Robotics Radio News section. Bismarck says of themselves, Bismarck Analysis examines institutions, industries, and individuals on behalf of our clients. While much of our work is confidential, we occasionally make select analytical products available to the general public. They thought this one was important enough to make it available to the general public, and that's where I scooped it up. Bismarck says, machine tools are essential in industrial metalworking, and as a type of capital equipment, machine tool consumption is a strong indicator of overall manufacturing capacity. Production is highly concentrated, with a small number of countries producing the vast majority of precision machine tools used in advanced manufacturing worldwide. The most important machine tool manufacturers are China, Germany, and Japan. China is unique in its production because it is overwhelmingly for its own domestic manufacturing sector, whereas the other manufacturers export a substantial fraction of their equipment. Russia, the U.S., and the U.K. have all seen varying degrees of decline in machine tool production since their peaks. This occurred because production of machine tools requires substantial societal infrastructure, such as educated workers, significant capital investment. All of the successful countries have maintained clear policies that help machine tool producers, while those that have declined or failed to start significant production have not. These policies have only been successfully implemented by states with strong coordination between elites in government, business, and finance. Skilled labor is essential for machine tool production. Mechanical, electrical, and software engineering are required in the design process, and experienced technicians are needed for assembly and testing. Here's a report from the German VDMA, or Mechanical Engineering Industry Association, about the plight of the U.S. as far as machine tools go. It reports that the U.S. provided nearly 80% of the country's industrial machine needs until 1995, but by 2015 was producing only 63%. Today, it's even less, and the overall trend is, unfortunately, going down. If you want to build new production facilities in the United States, says Torsten Gede, a manager at a German investment company, a large part of the machinery and technology has to be imported because local alternatives are rarely available. To that sorry tale, the Wall Street Journal adds, in the 1980s, as U.S. manufacturing slumped, almost 7 of 10 American machine tool companies closed due to falling demand. The decline continued this century as U.S. manufacturers outsourced more. It's a real eye-opening report, and I suggest that everybody get a chance to read it. It's only 17 pages long. Once again, it's you can find it at the Asian Robotics Review, This is Robotics Radio News website. It's called Machine Tools, a Study in Advanced Manufacturing by Bismarck Analysis. Great report, great reading, and very informative.